Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to clear cache on IMDb. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to clear cache on IMDb. You want to do it because you have been using IMDb from a long time and you might think that it is taking a lot of storage. Or maybe in your mobile you're facing some storage issues, so you want to clear its cache, or the app is not working properly, it having some lags, so you want to clear the cache so it goes smoothly, or it could be any other reason for you to clear the cache of IMDb. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the IMDb app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. So once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the IMDb app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have bunch of options like movies and series on our homepage screen. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom. From all these options, you have to select this last option, or you could say the right option, which is you. Just simply click on it and you will land into this page. There you will see we have two options at the top. So from these options, you have to select this option, which is settings icon. Just simply click on it and you will get here. First, you will read the title of settings and you will find bunch of options. Every option here is different from each other and performs its own task in the app. So from all these options, you have to select this second last option, which is storage. This one, just simply click on it. First, you will read the title of storage and you will only see one option, which says clear cache. So if you're willing to clear the cache of your app, then you have to simply tap onto this option, clear cache. Then it will ask you that clear all application cache data. So if you're okay with that, just simply click on clear. And after that, the cache will be deleted off your app. Here you don't have to worry about the information or your data in the app. It will not be harmed. It will stay in your app. Only junk files and the files that are not useful will be deleted from the IMDb, but your data and other things like your personal information and stuff, your account will be there. You don't have to worry about it. After that, once you have cleared the cache, you again have to turn off the app and again you have to tap on it to open the app. After that, the app will work smoothly because the cache has been deleted. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can clear cache on IMDb. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.